Hi, I'm Nick Moore. I want to give you today a few of the key advantages that we have with the VIA range. And the first thing is, it is a range. So whether you start with the VIA Go, going up through the Connect Pro to the Connect Plus, to the Campus 2 and the Campus 2 Plus, if you are an end user, be it a lecturer or even a student, your experience of connecting to these devices is the same. It doesn't matter which one of those devices you're connecting to, you do it the same way. So the next question is, how do you connect? And the fact is, you do not need to have an app installed on your device in order to connect. You can connect through browser, you can connect through Miracast, you can connect through AirPlay. So none of these devices require you to have a clicker in your hand or actually to download an application onto your device. There are advantages of doing that, but you don't need to do it. This is the VIA Go 2. It allows 2 users to present on screen at any one time, and it's got a 4K output. And it's very competitively priced, so even with tight and restricted budgets, it's something that can be rolled out in multiple locations across the campus. And welcome to the socially distanced Kramer training room. With me is my colleague Mark Collins, and we're going to look today at the VIA Go 2. Now the VIA Go 2 is a great product for presenting to a display, but in these times where it's important to keep apart from each other, it's particularly useful. Now you quite often find that you want to share your screen with a colleague, so they might come and look over your shoulder, but clearly you can't do that these days. So now you have to find another display that you can both share your screens to. And that's what we're going to show today. The key thing about the VIA Go 2 is that you connect to it completely wirelessly. There's no need to touch a dongle or a cable to plug into your device. You just take your device and connect wirelessly to the VIA Go 2, whether it's a laptop, a phone or a tablet. Next we've got the VIA Connect Pro and the VIA Connect Plus. Both of these units have the View Main Display function. The View Main Display function allows participants to see on their own device what's being shown on the main screen. So for example, if they're slightly unsighted, they might have a big student sitting in front of them so they can't actually see the main display. Or they might wish to annotate or zoom in on part of the display, and they can do that on their own device. The Connect Pro and the Connect Plus both allow 4 users to be displayed on a screen at the same time. The VIA Connect Plus has 2 important differentiators from the Pro. The first is that it has a physical HDMI input, and the second is the VIA Versa feature. Now the VIA Versa feature, it's true to say, is also available on the campus devices, but on the Linux devices, it's only on the Connect Plus. And what does VIA Versa allow you to do? If you plug your USB room camera into the VIA Connect Plus, and then you connect to the VIA Connect Plus using your app, your VIA app, you can then run any video conferencing application that you like and select between, say, the video camera that's built into your laptop and the room camera. And you don't have to physically connect your laptop to the room camera. It's all done via the VIA. The VIA Connect Plus with firmware version 3.0 and above also features native support for Teams, Zoom and BlueJeans. That means you don't have to have those applications installed on your own laptop. You can run them directly from the VIA unit. Finally, we've got the VIA Campus 2 and the VIA Campus 2 Plus. The differentiator between the two is that the Campus 2 Plus has a physical HDMI input as well as the ability to connect wirelessly. The Campus 2 and the Campus 2 Plus run on Windows 10. And this allows you to run any application on them that you would run on a Windows PC. So that might be Microsoft Office or AutoCAD or any other useful software program that you'd run on a PC. The VIA Site Manager is an enterprise grade on-premises management suite for all the VIA devices that you might have on the campus. It allows you to check the status of all of these devices and to roll out firmware upgrades when appropriate across your entire estate. Currently it's on-premise, but in the next few weeks we'll be rolling out a cloud-based version. It will be a subscription model, but that will give other advantages in terms of multi-site rollouts. So there we have a quick canter through the VIA range and the VIA Site Manager. For more information on the VIA range, you can visit our website www.true-collaboration.com, where you can find out all the features for each of the products. And you can also go to our YouTube sites, where you can find demonstrations of the various functions that we've talked about today. Thank you for watching.